Hello people, after a long time I'm making videos again, um, and I will be discussing going forward about various stocks that are giving breakout in a lower time frame, which can be used for daily day trading and also for a swing trading. Okay, so let's get started. So this is one of the stock that I had done analysis recently, and you could see here CSB Bank. So this gave a breakout on 22nd of December, and then it went on to give about 45% gain in 14 days, right? So this is a huge gain which we were able to capture in 14 days, right? So this is a kind of gain you could expect on few small and mid cap stocks, right? And we had another one for this week. So this had given a breakout on the 2nd of Jan, that is Friday, and it made a high, and total uh, gain it had given was about 13% in just 3 days, right? And and this is also one of the stock, which is Metropolis Healthcare. This was also taken on Friday, and this gave about 7%. And SVG, so this actually broke out on Friday, right? This also was on Friday, and in about 3 days, this has given almost about 16%. So like that, I'll be making a lot of videos going forward to share some of the trades that I have taken, and how to do a price action trading for swing as well as trade trading, so that traders who are struggling, who are struggling with losses, they can take advantage of this, and they can start taking trades this way, which is very simple. You don't have to trade every day. Okay, you just have to capture 10-15% in a month. That is more than enough for you to make decent money, and you can avoid trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or Sensex, which is so volatile. The chances of you actually losing money is very high in such instruments, right? So I initially lost a lot of money trying to trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex. Initially, I was able to make money because there was a bull run. I thought this will continue ever, forever, and I made some money initially, and then thinking that I'll keep making money. I even quit my job and started trading in index, and then later I incurred a huge loss. You can't even imagine the kind of losses that I incurred. Keeping a hope of, I mean, having, I used to have a hope that I can recover. It actually destroyed my life. Then later I started reading books. I started working on price action methods, and then finally I was able to understand that the money is made uh, through price action. All this scalping, all that will not work, and it will not give you any returns on a long run, right? You will collapse, especially in options, right? So price action swing trading is best if you're using price action patterns to do day trading. That also works, but it's not rewarding. But if you do swing trading, that's really good, right? So I'll keep making videos on a daily basis, or probably weekly, once or twice, whenever I have opportunities, so that this video could help people who are making consistent losses, right? Mm, you just have to focus on price action, and you will be profitable, right? You don't have to trade every day. One or two trades in a month, whichever gives, like this. See, this gave about 45% gain in just 45 days, sorry, 14 days, right? That's 2 weeks. Yeah, if you capture such moves once in a month, that's more than enough for you to actually make a living, right? So the purpose of this video is to actually tell people that do not go by um, the videos and screenshots people are sharing online about scalping and making lakhs of rupees in single day and all that. I'll tell you, it is not possible. You guys will actually destroy your life the way I did, right? It took me a lot of time to understand this, a lot of struggle I went through. I I think the best decision, the best thing has happened to me is, after started trading in price action. Price action works beautifully. You just have to focus on that. Eventually, you'll start making money. Okay, don't expect significant returns. That's not going to happen. People who are making in lakhs are putting in crores. That is the reason why they are able to make. You bringing in 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and you know, you know, trying to make lakhs of rupees every day, not possible. Not at all possible. In a fluke, you can make such money in 1, 2, 3 days, but later you'll lose everything. So don't get into that trap. That's the reason government is also bringing a lot of restrictions. um, so this is not I'm not trying to actually give you any signals here. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I'm just sharing this, thinking that what happened with me should not happen to others. And also trying to build a community so that I uh, traders usually do not have um, anyone to talk to or discuss about trades or losses or anything of that sorts. It's a very lonely profession, right? You need to do something in order for you to actually build that community, right? Even if you join certain communities, that try to sell you a course or try to do something of that sort. So my purpose, my intention is to actually build a trading community where we can actually discuss and share ideas and share trade experiences and grow together. So that is the main purpose. If anyone are interested in joining this community, you can actually join. I have pasted a link in the description. You can just click on that and join the community, and be active in the community, so that it is very encouraging for everyone to actually um, you know share ideas and grow together. Okay. All right, I'll come back again next week with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.